Let's look at exercise 30. This exercise is for both hands and a combination of the two previous exercises. So, a question. What do you have to know first before you play it with both hands? I'll give you some time to get the right answer. That's right. You have to know exactly when you play both hands together and when you play them separately. Another question. How do you begin analyzing an exercise for both hands? Again, I'll give you some time to answer this important question. That's right. First, you look which hand plays most of the notes in the most straightforward timing. So, which hand is that in this exercise? You are amazing! That's correct! It's the right hand in this exercise that plays most of the notes in the most straightforward timing. So, now that you know all that, you must be able to analyze this exercise on your own and see where your right and left hand play together. Just give it a try. I'll get back to you in about a minute or so. Good luck! I know you can do it. So, I believe you can do it. Let's look at it together to make sure you really get it. Okay, there we go. So, when we use the right hand as our guide, we see that the left hand plays together with the right hand on the first beat of the first bar. With the second finger of your right hand you play C, and with the fourth and second finger you play the chord. When you play A with the thumb of your right hand, you release the chord with your left hand because there is the 16th rest. When you play B with the thumb of the right hand, you play with your left hand the next chord with your second finger and thumb. And the next three chords you play with the left hand when you play a note with the thumb on your right hand. So when you play C with the thumb of your right hand, you play the chord with the third finger and thumb of your left hand. When you play D with the thumb of your right hand, you play the chord with your fourth finger, second finger and thumb of your left hand. When you play E with the thumb of your right hand, you play the chord with the fifth, third and thumb of the left hand. You notice that there is only one rest in the left hand. This means that after the rest, you hold the chord until you have to play a new chord with the left hand. Let's look at the two last chords. When you play A with the third finger of your right hand, you play the chord with the fifth, third of your left hand. When you play D with the second finger of your right hand, you play the chord with the fourth and second finger of the left hand all the way to the end of the exercise. So, how did you do it? I think you did just fine, and I believe that from now on you will be able to analyze the exercises for both hands on your own. Now you are ready to practice exercise 30 at 30 BPM. I get back to you after you did exercise 30 at 75 BPM. Until then, enjoy practicing.